What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. It's been a minute. I've been so damn busy with a million other things that I haven't had a chance to shoot a video in a hot minute, but, well, here we are. So, today's project is I'm finally going to get around to using my welder. So, my wonderful wife bought me this for my birthday this last summer, and I've been so damn busy with other projects, I haven't even got any chance to use it yet. So, the order of business today is to actually get this thing out and attempt to brush off my welding skills. So, God, I haven't welded since high school, probably. So, it's been a while. So, yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. So, I'm gonna spend a minute here and get the welder set up, and then let's go ahead and lay down some beads, see how that goes. That's the plan. It's a nice Friday evening. It's been a long week, so we're gonna do something fun. All right, I got the welder all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my test piece here a little bit and get that prepped and clean and ready to go. And then I'm gonna try a test bead, see how this thing works. Pitter patter, let's get at her. What do you think? Not too bad. Not too good, but not too bad. Let's play with these settings a little bit. I don't actually know if I need to be pushing quite that much heat into this thing. Yeah! I could probably actually get something put together. Well, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Nice. That's super exciting. I've been wanting a freaking welder for years, and I finally have one, and I finally used the damn thing. That's super exciting. Crud. Well, now I need to, build something. Let me go ahead and cut a couple pieces of tube, and we can practice welding those together. Alright, so I got it tacked. As you can see here, it's, well, a little goobery, but it ain't actually that bad. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it on its side here and burn out a couple of these welds and see how it looks. Alrighty, well, that's probably the most goobery weld in existence, but I'm pretty happy with it. There are definitely some better bits and some worse bits, but I'm pretty sure the thing's strong. I put enough wire in there, I don't know how it couldn't be. Alrighty, so here's the welds. They're kind of terrible. I think what I'm going to do now is actually hit these with a grinder, grind them off flat. I want to see if I got any kind of real penetration or if I just kind of laid a bead on top. We'll see. I think it's still shoving way too much wire out. But I don't know. We're about to find out. So let's give that a go. Alright, well, looks like I at least got some penetration. I don't know. Strong enough I can't break it though, so I guess that counts. I think my first project is going to be a set of wood hanging racks for the shop here. I've got too much crap on the floor. I'm going to build some shelves that I can store my stuff on. So I've already got some of the steel picked out. Anyway, if you have any tips on how to get the most out of this welder, let me know. It's one of the Harbor Freight Titanium Unlimited 200 models. I'm pretty excited to, fumble my way through and figure out how the hell to use this thing. I haven't welded since freaking high school, so it's been a minute. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So anyway, got any tips or tricks or suggestions? Let me know in the comments. But hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.